My little bugs fight, small bugs fry rice. Tiny bug guards the home. Big bug is white rice on the mountain. Fly! This is a children's rhyme from my hometown. I grew up singing it. Every word shows the wisdom of the mountains, the spirit of the water, and the kindness of the people. Let me tell you the story of my hometown. My hometown is called Haimen. It is at the mouth of the Jiaojiang River. Two big hills stand like a gate. So, people also call it the Gate of the Sea. It is a beautiful place with green mountains, clean water, rich land, and kind people. Haimen is beautiful because of its wonderful scenery. The 8 views of Haimen were already written down during the Ming Dynasty. Even after over 600 years, the old Yanqing Gate is still standing. There is a tall and 3,000-year-old temple, a memorial hall for Qi Jiguang, and a monument on Fenshan Hill for China's first joint battle of Army, Navy, and Air Force. There are so many beautiful places in my hometown. We feel very lucky to live here. My hometown is also beautiful because of its rich local products. The Dacheng yellow croaker, known as the first freshness of the East China Sea, stands out with its delightfully fresh flavor. Juicy bayberries, sweet tangerines, delicious locals, along with Hongji pastry, a century-old brand and time-honored candy shops, together with the tapestry of sweetness. Then there are black rice mochi, steamed glutinous rice balls, and plum blossom pastries, all fragrant, soft, and chewy with a delightful spring texture. Life here is very sweet. We feel very satisfied. Haimen is beautiful because of its warm and open-hearted people. We care about both the elderly and children. We are building a city friendly for young people and families. We have daycares, elderly meal centers, health and care services, neighborhood centers, and smart communities. We welcome people from all over the world with open arms. Life here is full of love and harmony. We feel very happy to call this place home. A line of green water and hills, a small city rising in the sea wind. This is my hometown Haimen. Welcome to visit.